Yes, class 1 children, today we will do chapter 4. Your chapter 4 is shapes and pattern. We might already we have discussed about shapes and pattern. 2D shapes and 3D shapes we have drawn already. In 2D shapes you have rectangle, square, triangle and circle. In 3D shapes we told you about cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere, and the last one we told you oval. So now look at this picture. They are saying the question is first phase of this chapter 4, class 1. It is shapes and pattern. So first chapter is this one, Diwali lanterns color according to the given. These are the colors given of the different shape: rectangle colors, square, this is circle, this is oval, this is triangle. So you have to color according to these colored shaped here. Means circle is there, so color this one, and if square rectangle is there, the color this one, and if triangle is there, color the last one. Okay, so this color you can do in the page according to the given direction. So this is your page number 75. Both the figures you have to color according to these shape color given already on the top. Now we'll go to the next page number 76. Here they are saying same about the same shapes. Now they are the same shape because this is circle, this one is also circle. They both are circle, so they are called as same shape. At sometimes same size. Now if we see the size is different here, but if you see here the size is same. Now the first question here in this page number 76 is ring the one that is the same shape. Same shape means size doesn't matter. Okay, if triangle is there, same to triangle is there, size doesn't matter, you can circle it. They are saying only you have to see the shape. So same shape, triangle, triangle, rectangle, rectangle, square, square, you can circle this. Now second is ring the one that is in same size. Size should be same. This is square, this is also square, they all are similar, but you have to see the size. Size is same here, circle here. This triangle size is same here, and this rectangle size is same here. So this way you can do. And downside this also you can play housey at home yourself with your friend or like that you can do. So this is page number 76. Now let's go for page number 78. In this page it is same shape, and again they have given about same shape and same size. Ring the one that is the same shape and size. You can see here this is circle, same shape and same size, you can circle it. Square, which one is same size, shape and size? This one. This you have to do yourself. And rectangle you have to find here. This is a rectangle, this is also rectangle, but same shape and size you have to see. So this one you can circle yourself. So this way you can do page number 75, 77. Now we will go to the next page 78. They are saying about the straight line and the curved line. A line which is straight like this one by using a scale is known as straight line. This is straight lines are two types. If the line is like this is known as horizontal line, and if the line is like this, standing line you can say, or vertical line, and if line is like this you can say it as slanting line. Sometimes this is also known as standing line, and this is known as sleeping line. The question is trace over the dots to make the straight lines. We are just tracing it. When we trace out, it form a square. A square has how many straight lines? 1 2 3 4. Okay, a rectangle has how many straight lines? 4. You can trace out, you can dot the lines. A triangle has how many? 1 2 3. Now these are the curved line. Any zigzag line like this without using of scale, any line like this. Okay, these are known as curved line. So a circle is made up of one curved line because this curved line is joined and form a circle. So one curved line is used to make a circle. So draw over the rangoli. This rangoli you have to draw made by the curved line using red pencil and straight line using the blue pencil. Children, here the curved line like this, these are the curve you use here. For the curved line use red pencil. Which color you have to use for curved line? Red. And wherever you are getting straight line, These are the straight line here you use blue color by blue colored pencil, so you can do this one, these shapes. And now here also a challenge is given, find them all. Now letters with only straight line, A, E, F, and what about next? A, E, F, G is not there, H, yes, I, straight line is used, okay, J is not there. Letters with only curved line is for C, for O, and any other. So you have to find yourself curved letters, just like P, Q is also there, okay. Or now other letters you can find. Letters with both curved and straight line, B has straight line also, curved also, D also, even G. If we write G, this is curved up to here and here it is straight. Find other letters also for this and this and this one. Now we'll go to the next page, number 79. This page says that color the object that are similar to the given shape. Now shape is here sphere. This is also sphere. This is also sphere, and the last one is also sphere. So color this one, and this one. Same color you can use as it is here. Now this is cube, find cube. This one is also cube, color it, and last one is also cube, color these two shapes. Green color you can use. Now roll and slide, we can say what is roll. If we throw a ball on the ground, it start to rolling like this, okay. And if we want to push a table or a book like this is rolling, this way it is rolling, this is rolling, okay. And sliding, what is sliding? If I put it this one like this, it can't roll, it will slide like this. So this is rolling, and even this strip will slide, okay. It is not rolling. Roll and slide, you can understand like this. Here you can see on the a girl is on the this one is sliding, and here this ball is rolling. So downside few shapes are given, you have to find whether it is rolling or slide. Ball is there, roll, and this one is slide. If you do, it can roll also. You see this pencil can roll also like this, and if I do it like this, it is sliding. And last one is roll only because it is circular. Spherical shapes rolls actually, or cylindrical shapes can also roll. Now cone is there, cylinder is there. Again you have to find the same type of object. This is cone, this is also cone. What about the last is also ice cream cone? So you can color it, okay, according to this color. Yellow color cylinder, these are the cylindrical. This one is also, base is also cylindrical. Coins are cylindrical, plates are cylindrical, you know, this cup is cylindrical, this is also, this is spherical. Don't color it, these three figures you have to color. Now next is color the decoration on the Christmas tree and gifts under the tree using the given color code. Color codes are given. According to these colors you have to use in this Christmas tree. I think you can do it. It's very easy. You have to color cube as green, this cone as blue, okay, and sphere as this one color. So you can do page number 80 like this. Coloring only is required here. So now the next is draw the shape and object. So the question is match the shape of that given made by drawing along these objects, okay. Now if we see the base of this cup is circular, so match it with circle. If we see the base of this sandwich is triangular, so match it with triangular. And this base is circle, again match it with circle. And this base is square is here, okay. And this box geometry box base is rectangular, match it here. So this way you can do this one. Same way the next challenge you can do, the circle is next to the square, you can see here, you can understand it and do it. Page number 81. Now we'll go to the next 82. In 82, now shapes are over. Now the pattern, see the pattern, understand it. What is the next to this pattern? Blue balloon, okay, purple blue, this, then blue. What should be the next color? Purple. Same way here, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red. So this way. Now this shape, opposite shape, opposite shape. Okay, so here the pattern is star, balloon, star, balloon, star. What should be here? Balloon or blue color. So this way you can do this, color these shapes according to the pattern. A particular pattern you have to follow. The next is ring the shape that comes next. Okay, this is the oval shape. Okay, slipping, standing, slipping, standing, slipping. What should be here? Standing. Circle it. Okay, not this one, leave it. Same way here, triangle, opposite triangle, triangle, opposite triangle, triangle, opposite triangle. Same way third part you can do. So this way you have to do. Next pattern is now see, 2 flowers in the pot, 3, 2, 3, 2. What should be here? 3, and color them like this. Again here, next pattern is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Well, how many flowers can be there? 3. Last one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 4, then reduce to 3, then 2. Next would be 1. You can do the next also. So this way you can do this page number 83. Now we'll go to the chapter checkup. The first question is draw over the dotted lines. Use red for the curved line and blue for the this one. Okay, so these are the curved line. Here you have to use red colored pencil, and these are the straight line. You have to use blue line pencil. Mark them, join them by blue. Here again blue, and here it is red. So next is, here are some objects you will find in the kitchen. Match them. That you can do. Now you know about the shapes and pattern. Downside also, it's this page is for you. I think you can do the same pattern you have to follow. Next, there is a worksheet. They are saying join the red dots to make a shape. Just like first shape is there, so you have to join these dots. Now you have to join in a curved line. Don't try to join in a straight, then it will not form a face. We need to make a face. So which line you are using? Curved. Here also, the tree, 2 points you have to join it like this. It form a shape of tree. So again curved line. But here we have a shape of cuboid. 2 red points you have to join by using scale. Scale you have to use straight line. So same way you have to do, and tick downside whether you are using curved or straight line. That you have to tick. Okay. Now this is your last for this chapter. Try to complete it, and main thing, you have to learn how to draw the 2D shapes and 3D shapes, and I will share you the videos to make even 2D shapes and 3D shapes by chart papers like origami. Okay, thank you. Complete the chapter.